Carraig Dhonn, the heath is brown, the sky is dark over Ardnally, and many's a stream comes a-rushing down to swell the angry Ardnally. The morning blast goes sweeping fast through many's a leafless tree, and I'm alone, for he is gone, my hawk is flown, o Ardnally. The heath is green on Carraig Dhonn, bright shines the sun over Ardnally. The light-green trees bend trembling down to kiss the slumbering Ardnally. That happy day, 'twas but last May, it's like a dream to me, when Donald swore, aye o'er and o'er, we would part no more a Ardnally. Soft April showers and bright May flowers will bring the summer back again, but will they bring me back the hours I spent with my brave Donald? 'Tis but a chance, for he's gone to France to wear the fleur-de-lis. I'd follow you, my Donald, for still I'm true to you, agree. I'd follow you, my Donald, for still I'm true to you, agree. Gcuimhneas, Johnny McGeown, Johnny.